Stay, it's okay. It's okay, Chloe. Stay with Dad. You have to stay with Dad. Hey. I got it. It's rolling. You just hit it. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh no! Worst case scenario. Oh, fail. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Oops.
I was hoping I was going to launch off that bit.
Oh shit.
Upside down.
It might. You'll be able to get that next section, eh? Hopefully.
Yeah.
Just.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's on the right way. You're beauty. Hey, look. Oh. Yee. Hang on, video. Daddy's trying to video on all the little kiddly winks. Oh. Yay! Oh!
Oh, I don't get
Yay! Yay! He's doing good, isn't he? Whoa! Yay! Clapping.
What happened there?
I don't know. Something.
See that?
Nah, it was something under the water.
It went under.
Oh, right.
It's like it,
Hey, Chloe, careful.
died.
Oh! Oh, yeah, that's actually the only rocks in the whole place.
Yeah.
Chloe, steady. The foam's mucking it up, eh? Oh, Chloe. Oh, you're gonna get sink. Oh man, this is bad filming.
I can't see
Oh
it.
no!
Where'd it go?
Oh, it's sitting right at the edge of the right at the edge. I haven't got under it, is it?
I can't see.
No, it's still up. It's still up, man.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just sitting on the edge. It's all right. Yeah, it's just sitting in the foam. Shit. Yeah. Chloe. Uh-oh. Don't fall in the water. Hey, look at the foam on it. Oh! Uh-oh.
It won't go near that, eh?
Oh, Chloe, hey. Here we go. Oh no! Oh, jeez. Oh, Chloe, Cam's a bit silly. Oh no! Oh. Nah!